So today we're going to pick up some ADS-B signals, and if you don't happen to know what that is the signals that commercial jets and some other planes broadcast out that have their latitude and longitude, altitude, their identifier, that sort of information. So you just see where the planes are overhead. It's great for plane spotting. And some technical information behind this is, well, it's just amplitude modulated rectangular pulses on 1090 megahertz. So you can go ahead and open up SDR Sharp and just look at those. You can see like little just pop-ups every couple seconds. That is the ADS-B data. But for this, we're going to be using a program called ADS-B Sharp by the same person who made SDR Sharp. We will use that along with virtual radar, which will allow us to spot the planes, and it has a great web interface that's even compatible with phones. So I suggest you check it out. It has a modern interface, unlike a lot of the other programs out there. So first we will download ADS-B Sharp. Now I made a bunch of folders just to organize myself. Next program, as I said, virtual radar server. I'm just going to change the install location to my desktop, just for ease of use. Port 80. Check that box if you want. So that's all we're going to need to download, just those two files. First, open up ADS-B Sharp. Make sure you don't have SDR Sharp open, or else it won't work. Port 47806, frequency correction 57, click Start. So that's a good amount of frames per second. We can now open up virtual radar. You might get some errors, just click OK. So we're going to need to configure this software. Go into Options and set your data source as AVR or Beast Raw Feed. Set that port as 47806. You can leave serial alone. We won't be using that. Test the connection and it should work. If it doesn't, turn off your firewall or something. I'm just going to mess with this a little bit. Receiver location. I don't know if it's necessary, but it's always good to have, I guess. So go ahead and click on statistics, and you'll see all the aircraft in the area. Now, what you want to do is type into your browser 127.0.0.1/virtual radar. That will just show you all the planes in the area. And that's about it. I mean, it's not a lot of setup, and there's also not that much to see. It could be interesting if you're just, looking at planes outside. But yeah, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.